Dear students, today we shall discuss chapter 3 fractions, exercise 3C. Chapter 3 fractions, exercise 3C. Question number 1. Reduce to a single fraction. First question, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Solution. Then see the denominators of the fractions, that is 2 and 3. Both are not equal denominators, so we have to find out the LCM of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are just nearer numbers, so therefore LCM will be 2 into 3 equal to 6. Therefore 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 equal to LCM is 6, that is as the common denominator. Now next we have to check 2 how many times in 6, that is 3 times into this one, then plus. Next we have to check the 3 how many times in 6, that is 2 times into this 2. Then next step 3 into 1 3 plus 2 into 2 4, all by same this 6. Then next 3 plus 4 equal to 7 by 6. 7 by 6 is an improper fraction. Numerator is bigger than the denominator, so we have to divide, and the answer is 1 by 6 is the mixed fraction, simplified answer. Okay, then second question, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. So both the denominators are not equal, so first we have to find out the LCM of 5 and 10. And 10 is the multiple of 5, therefore LCM will be this 10. Another example, 8 and 6, 16. LCM will be 16 because 16 is the multiple of 8. Or 15 and 60. 60 is the LCM because 60 is the multiple of 15. So 10 as the LCM. Now we have to check this 5 how many times in 10. 5 2 times in 10. 2 into this 3 we will write here, 2 into 3, then minus 10 how many times in 10, that is 1 time 1 into this 1, that's equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6 minus 1 into 1 1, then 6 minus 1 equal to 5 by 10. 5 by 10 again we can simplify. Both 5 and 10 divisible by 5. Therefore 5 divided by 5 answer is 1. 10 divided by 5 answer is 2. Or 5 how many times in 5, that is 1. 5 how many times in 10, that is 2 times. So last simplified answer is 1 by 2. Now next question. Question number 3. Do homework. Then 4. 1 by 3 plus 2 1 by 4. Solution. First we have to convert these mixed fractions in improper fraction. How to convert mixed fractions as improper fraction? First number is 1 by 3. So 3 into 1 plus 1. So 3 into this one, 3 into 1, this bracket plus numerator plus 1, and this plus sign. Second one also will change like 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 into 2 in bracket plus 1, all by same denominator 4. Here all by same denominator 3. Next 3 into 1 first value, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1. 3 into 1 3 plus 1. Next 4 into 2 8 plus 1. 3 into 1 answer is 4 by same denominator 3 plus 8 plus 1 9, all by 4. Both the denominators are not equal, so we have to find out the LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4 just nearer numbers, so therefore LCM of 3 and 4 will be 3 into 4 equal to 12. Therefore 4 by 3 plus 9 by 4 equal to 3 into 4 LCM 12. First we have to check 3 how many times in 12. 3 4 times into the denominator, numerator 4 plus same plus Next check 4 how many times in 12, that is 3 times into the same numerator 9. Then 4 into 4 16 plus 3 into 9 27 all by 12. Next 16 plus 27 43 by 12. So numerator is bigger than the denominator. It's an improper fraction. Therefore convert this one in mixed fraction. So divide and you'll get division will show you that here 43 divided by 12. 12 3 times 36. Then 13 minus 6 7. So we will write this quotient, we will write here, and 7 we will write in numerator, and the same denominator 12 we will write as the denominator. So quotient is 3, that you will write in side, and 7 is the remainder, and the same 12 as the denominator. So 3 7 by 12 is the answer. Next number 5. 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 12. So all the denominators are not equal. So first we have to find out the LCM of 4, 6 and 12. 4, 6, 12 LCM calculated here. So 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 3 12 is the LCM. So therefore 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 12 is equal to 12 is the common LCM, common denominator. Now first we have to check this 4 how many times in 12. 4 3 times into the first numerator 1, then plus second denominator is 6. How many times in 12? This is 2 times into this 5, then minus, then 12 how many times in 12? That is 1 time into numerator 1 1. So 3 into 1 3 plus 2 into 5 10 minus 1 into 1 1. Next step 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 minus 1. 13 minus 1 all by 12. 13 minus 1 answer is 12 by this same 12. 12 by 1, 12 equal to 1 is the answer. So last answer is 1. Next question number 6. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus 3 minus 1 by 5. Solution. All the denominators are not equal. So we have to find out the LCM of 3, 5. 3 we can write as 3 by 1. 1 by 5. So LCM of 3, 5, 1, 5. So LCM will get 5. These two are same and 3 is different. So 3 into 5, 15 will be the LCM. So therefore this question is equal to 15 we will take as the LCM. Now same procedure to follow, that is 3 how many times in 15, that is 5 times into numerator 2, then minus 5 how many times in 15, that is 3 times into 3 plus 1 how many times in 15, that is 15 times 15 into 3, then minus last denominator 5 how many times in 15, that is 3 times into this one. So between here it is a minus sign. Next 5 into 2 10 minus 3 into 3 9 plus 15 into 3 45 minus 3 into 1 3 all by 15. Now 10 minus 1 answer is 10 minus 9 equal to 1. 1 plus 45 46. 46 minus 3 43. Or we can do like this, 10 and 45 both positive numbers. So 10 plus 45, 55. Minus 9 and 3 are negative numbers. That's separate plus. Then 9 plus 3, 12. 12 is a negative number, so minus 12. 55 minus 12 all by 15. Subtraction, so 43. 43 by 12, 15. Numerator is bigger than the denominator, so divide. Then we will get 2, 13 by 15. So that means 2 is the quotient, 13 remainder, and 15 is the same denominator. So simplified answer is 2, 13 by 15. Number 7, homework. Question number 8. 2 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 3 minus 1 1 by 4. So all the three fractions are mixed fractions. First convert to one in improper fraction. So it's equal to improper fraction. That is first one is mixed fraction is 2 1 by 2. So 2 into 2 4 plus 1 is 2 into 2 plus 1. All by same 2 is writing as a denominator plus. Next one is 3 into 2 6 plus 1. 3 into 2 plus 1. All by same denominator 3. Next minus sign 4 into 1 plus 1. 4 into 1 plus 1. All by same denominator 4. Next 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 6 plus 1 by 3 minus 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 plus 1 5 by 2 plus 6 plus 1 7 by 3 minus 4 plus 1 5 by 4. So all three denominators are different. So find out the LCM of 2, 3, 4. LCM will get 12. So next line, therefore these three fractions equal to 12 as the LCM or denominator, common denominator. First check 2 how many times, that is 6 times in 12 into numerator 5, this plus sign. 3 how many times in 12, that is 4 times into 7 minus 4 how many times in 12, that is 3 times into 5. Then 6 into 5 30 plus 4 into 7 28 minus 3 into 5 15 all by 12. Next 30 plus 28 58 minus 15 all by 12. 58 minus 15 answer is 43 all by 12. Numerator bigger, so divide and get the answer. Then it is 3 7 by 12. 3 will get us the quotient and 7 will be the remainder, same 12 as the denominator or divisor. Next number 9. 2 5 by 8 minus 2 1 by 6 plus 4 3 by 4. So first we have to convert these whole fractions as an improper fraction. Then first one is 2 5 by 8. 8 into 2 16 plus 5 is 21 by 8 minus second number 2 1 by 6. 6 into 2 plus 1. 6 into 12 plus 1 13 by 6. Then plus sign is here. Third one is 4 3 by 4. Then 4 into 4 16 plus 3 19. 19 by same 4. All three denominators 8 6 4 different. So find out the LCM of 8 6 and 4. Calculated here. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 24 is the LCM. Therefore these three numbers is equal to 24 will take as the common denominator. Same process, that is 8 how many times in 24? 3 times into first numerator into 21. Then this minus sign. 6 how many times in 24? 4 times into 13. Then plus 4 how many times in 24? 6 times into 19. Next 3 into 21 63 minus 4 into 13 52 plus 6 into 19, 114, all by 24. Next, 63 minus 52 is 11 plus 114, all by 24. Then these two add 125 by 24. Numerator bigger or it is an improper fraction. So divide is 24 5 times. And 5 times 24 5 120. 125 minus 125 is the remainder. So we can write as the mixed fraction 5, this 5 inside, then remainder 5 by 24. So 5 by 24 is the answer.